So let's create a function that will find a specific customer based on an ID. So I'm going to create another public function, and I'll call it find by ID. And this one will of course accept the ID of the customer we are looking for. So it's gonna be customer ID as short as an argument. And what is it gonna return is a single row that belongs to the customer with this ID. So we will return repair services dataset dot customer row. So first we will simply call the find by ID SQL statement that we created and assign it to a table. So let's do a dim table as data table, and we'll go to our adapter and call the find by ID, and we'll pass in the customer ID we are looking for. And the SQL statement will either find it or not. So we can simply return what it finds. So do a return statement, and here we are looking for an ID, a single ID, so again that's the rows 0 of the table. So we'll return table.rows with the index of 0, that's the ID. However, we are not really returning just this, we want the whole customer row. So what we're gonna do is to convert everything to a customer's row. So we'll use the C-type conversion, and we'll convert this row with the index of 0 to repair services dataset dot customer row. So this will return the whole customer row for this particular ID, and it will return name as well as the ID and phone number as well. So again, we will pass in a customer ID we are looking for. We will run the SQL statement, and it will either find it or not, but in any case we'll simply return what it finds converted to a customer row. And next we can start coding our inserts, updates and delete methods for the customers.